Finding out autocorrelation and covariance of x of t, and x of t is equal to a cos omega t, where omega is constant and a is a random variable. It is uniformly distributed over 0 comma 1. To find out uniform density function, the standard equation is 1 by b minus a, and substituting b and a here we are getting 1. And to find out autocorrelation, rxx of t1 comma t2 equal to expectation of a cos omega t1 into a cos omega t2. As cos omega t1 and cos omega t2 are constants, we are taking it out and we are only finding out expectation of a square. It is equal to integration of 0 to 1 a square f of a dA. As we know, f of a is equal to 1, we are substituting f of a equal to 1 here, and on integrating a square we are getting a cube by 3, and substituting upper limit and lower limit here we are getting it as 1 by 3. And autocorrelation of t1 comma t2 equal to 1 by 3 cos omega t1 into cos omega t2. Covariance of t1 comma t2 equal to expectation of x of t1 into x of t2 minus expectation of x of t1 and expectation of x of t2. We already found this in the previous. We have to only find these two separately. Expectation of x of t1 is equal to, as x of t1 is equal to a cos omega t1, it is constant. Cos omega t1 is constant, so we have to take it out and we have to find out expectation of a. Expectation of a equal to integral of 0 to 1 a into f of a dA. We know that f of a equal to 1, so we are substituting f of a equal to 1 here, and on integrating a square a we are getting a square by 2. On substituting upper limit and lower limit here, we are getting expectation of x of t1 equal to 1 by 2 cos omega t1. And similarly we are doing it for the expectation of x of t2, and x of t2 equal to a cos omega t2, and we are, as it is constant, we are taking it out. Cos omega t2 into expectation of a, as it is integral of 0 to a into f of a. As we know, f of a equal to 1, we are getting it as 1 by 2 cos omega t2. Covariance of t1 comma t2 equal to, we are substituting both these equations in this, and we are getting covariance of t1 comma t2 equal to 1 by 12 cos omega t1 into cos omega t2.